Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reduce JPG file size without losing quality using TinyPNG in 2026. So if your JPG images are too large for websites, emails, or uploads, this guide will help you compress them while keeping them looking sharp. First, open the TinyPNG website in your browser. This tool is designed to reduce JPG and PNG file sizes automatically. Next, drag and drop your JPG images into TinyPNG, so it will instantly start compressing them for you. Now wait a few seconds while the tool reduces the file size. It removes unnecessary data while keeping the image quality almost the same. So once compression is done, click Download to save your optimized JPG images. These files are much smaller but still clear. Next, compare the original and compressed JPG files side by side. Most of the time you won't notice any visible quality loss. Finally, use your compressed JPG images on websites, social media, or email. So smaller file sizes help everything load faster and smoother. And that's how to reduce JPG size without losing quality using TinyPNG in 2026. Once you optimize your images properly, you can save storage space and improve performance everywhere. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more image optimization tutorials.